What's the meaning of assize? Assize. Assize.
Assize. Assize. Assize refers to a legal term that originated in medieval England and was used to denote a periodic court session held by itinerant judges. The purpose of the assize was to ensure that justice was administered uniformly throughout the land. The judges would travel from town to town, hearing cases and settling disputes. The term assize is also used to refer to the body of laws established during these court sessions. In summary, assizes were periodic court sessions held by traveling judges meant to ensure consistent and fair administration of justice in medieval England.